to find all the solutions in a given range. Now this is really important because quite often when you're looking at trigonometry problems in Core 2, you're often asked to find more than one solution for either theta or the angle x. Now you're usually given a range. This may either be in radians or in degrees, and you need to make sure that you're working in the correct units. Now there is two methods for this. There is the CAST method, which is found in your Core 2 book if you want to read through that, or the method that I'm going to show you on this video, which is using the trigonometric graphs to help you. Now we're asked to find all the solutions to cos x equals 0.4 in the range 0 to 540 degrees. Now my personal step is when we're solving questions and we're asked to find it in a given range, I draw whatever trig graph we're using. So we're using cos, so I'm going to draw a sketch for cos. Now in your exam you've got plenty of space, so make it big. 1 minus 1. We're going between 0, 90, 180, 270, 360, 450 and 540. And that's where all our values for x are going to be. Now remember, if you work in radians, you want to write down the values in radians for the angle. And we should note that the cosine graph goes like this. So it goes down, through there, up, back through there, down, and back down to -1. So we're asked to find out all the solutions in that range. So firstly, we need to find out what cos to the -1 is of 0.4. And if you've got your calculator set up in degrees, you should get 66.4218 degrees to 4 decimal places. Remember to read the question because it will quite often tell you what accuracy it wants your question given to. Usually looking around three decimal places may have 4 or 5 significant figures. Remember, that's in degrees. So that distance, that 66.4218 is around about here somewhere. And that is 66.4218 away from 0. So that means if we were to go across our graph, we can clearly see there's going to be 2 more solutions. And these 2 more solutions are quite simple to find, knowing that it's 66.4218 away from 0. Well, that means that this solution here is also 66.4218, but this time away from 360 degrees. So one of our solutions is going to be 360 degrees plus 66.4218, which is the value 426.422 degrees to 3 decimal places. And also that means that, remember, the solutions around here are going to be symmetrical. So if that point there is 66.4218 that way, this point here must be 66.4218 that way. So we're going to take it away this time. So the last solution in this range is 360 degrees minus 66.4218, which is 293.578. So the real key thing is, when you're asked to solve a problem in a given range, just draw yourself a quick sketch to enable you to find all the solutions. Remember to check whether you're working in radians or in degrees. So the sketch of a trigonometric graph is absolutely vital.